STM stock has just printed a modest gain of 4.22%. An intraday high you can see here of 25.1 US dollars. I think all of this came as there's an indication that US and China have now agreed to slash tariffs on each other. And being a European company, it's playing into the stock, playing on the stock, playing positively. Market participants are positive about the stock. If you didn't know what the company does, the company designs, manufactures, and distributes semiconductors through divisions focused on automotive, analog, MEMs, sensors, microcontrollers, and digital ICs. Yeah, and it has a 38.64% probability of beating the S&P or the broader market by the next it would by the next 3 months. It has a buy rating or a hold rating based on the Nelfin AI comprehensive analysis. Currently trading right outside of its price channel. There's an indication that it may come back into its price channel and maybe consolidate. So this is the 4 hour chart. You can see what's going on. This I think represents that 4%. Here we can see. Yeah, let's see. Let's confirm again. Yeah, it is what's going on. This is picking up prices, picking up. It's active now. Here we have only one upper projection, 25.36. Every other thing is a downward projection, 24.95. I think 24.95 may just be slight upper projection, 24.27. Yeah, just like the broader market, just like but the Mark 7 stocks like Nvidia, I'm going to show you, since early May, the trend has been a bullish one. Let me show you let me show you what I mean. Yeah, you can see that since early May, so since early April rather, the trend has been a bullish one. Nvidia is equally up as well on the move now. Yeah, so but here we have an extrapolation to the upside. No guarantee that that will be the case. Extrapolation to the upside by Tuesday, the 20th of May. Yeah, that's what we're expecting. But like I said, no guarantee that that will be the case. So what we have also is let's see, it's yeah, okay. For some reason as well, before now it couldn't break through the resistance from the it's on the it's 200 period moving average. Hence these downward projections that were formed here. But of late now, no more downward projections as things stand. Maybe having broken through that resistance, we're not seeing anything anymore. Let's see. We could also have a look at its market grid and see where it's currently trading, where this price has just with this volatility has placed it on its grid, just to give us an idea about how far off it is or anything like that. So we notice here that it's right outside of its price channel. We should expect to see the same thing here on its trading view. So on its yeah, we should expect to see the same thing on trading view. We just apply the market grid. Let's see. Let's make it market grid. Okay, let's see where the market grid is. There's a good chance it may be trading right outside. Yeah, I think so. It is trading right outside of it. Yeah, the market grid is the RXT figure. This is the price where if it gets there a couple of things. It indicates that it has been the strength is a lot now. That you should expect a pullback to occur and a pullback and a consolidation to occur. Not exactly the best time to buy. So it's trading right outside of that market this market grid. So a consolidation is what is expected. Yeah, but even though we didn't see that, well, the extrapolation is saying that higher prices may print. Higher prices may print. This is also one of the many things that can be inferred from trading right outside of its price channel. So, but at the same time, left to me, I wouldn't buy the stock at this moment unless I see something really convincing. But this is just for the short term. It's a short term play. So let's move down to the daily chart. The daily chart is not active at the moment, but we could still see some things. Okay, the daily chart. Let's see underlying trend, the bearish one. So here on the daily chart, we can also see yes, based on how things are right now, it's also trading right outside of its of the of the market grid as well on the daily chart. Let's return and place the extrapolation for its price. Okay, so we have the extrapolation here. High highs are extrapolated. This was as of Friday the 9th. So high highs extrapolated and up till Friday the 30th of May. And then after that, we some sort of consolidation may come in, may kick in, and up till mid, up till later, it was late June. But all of these extrapolations always subject to change. But there's a good chance that some sort of consolidation will prevail. Yeah, some sort of consolidation may prevail. So let's see what we have in terms of projections. We have no upper projection. We have a downward projection of 22.14 on this daily chart. So let's look at the weekly chart and see what's going on. On the weekly chart, we have it's indicating that it's going to be a consolidation up till when? Up till the middle of November. At various times, printing higher highs as well. You know, yeah, this is what's makes it what is projected now. Yeah, for the on the weekly basis, giving you a broader look at what is being projected, what is being forecasted. It's more of a consolidation. So there's things to be made. It's that's how the market is. It goes up, it goes down. Sometimes some keep going up, some don't have that sort of momentum to keep going up. Some just consolidate, and whichever way it's there will always be opportunity there. The options could be something that can be used to play out what may if this turns out to be the case. Options can be used to take advantage of all of these. But in the very short time, in the next couple of days, what we have is an extrapolation to the upside. Yeah, even though it is very risky now. It's added a lot of gains that late. The trend this trend since early April has been a strong one. So it's projecting that it's going to remain strong like that up till next week, up to next week, the 20th of May. But there's no guarantee that that will be the case. This projected high of 26.17 may still be higher. The projection may still be a higher price, but there's a good chance that the extrapolation to the upside may still remain the case, even if even if it prints more, even if it prints higher highs. You know, but I really don't think it's going to be. It's not going to. I really don't think it's going to print exceptionally high gains. It's just going to be these modest sort of gains that it's going to continue to print. I think. So yeah, but at the same time as well, expect it to come back into the price channel. We can see that as well. This is also what is being extrapolated. It's going to come back into the price channel, and then but it's ultimately a bias to the upside is what is expected. So STM stock on the move. Let's see now European markets. Yeah, European semis rise in China US deal. Yeah, European semiconductor stocks rise after US and China have agreed a deal to slash reciprocal tariffs. Yeah, you can see it's one of those stocks that's on the move now. Yeah. The sector has sensitive. The sector has been sensitive to tariff related news flow as the levies impact its end markets such as autos. Yeah, just have a look and see what you make of STM stock. And thank you very much for watching this video.